Hi everyone, welcome to Peachora Vibes. Today I'll show you how to clean your cuticles, shape your nails, and achieve healthy looking nails at home. Let's get started. Step 1. Clean your nails. Start by cleaning your nails to remove any dirt, oil, or product residue. Clean nails are the foundation of a healthy manicure. Clean nails help maintain good hygiene and prepare your nails for the next steps of your nail care routine. Step 2. Trim your nails. Cutting your nails evenly helps prevent snagging, keeps them neat, and makes shaping easier in the next step. Step 3. Shape your nails. Let's shape them for a smooth and even finish. Use a nail file to shape your nails in your preferred style. File gently to create a smooth edge. Step 4. Gently push back cuticles. Using a cuticle pusher, gently push back the softened cuticles. Work slowly and avoid applying too much pressure to protect the nail area. Step 5. Remove loose cuticle skin. Using a V-shaped cuticle trimmer, gently remove the loose or dead skin around the nail. Work slowly and avoid cutting healthy skin. Step 6. Gently loosen the cuticles. Gently loosen the dead cuticle from the nail surface. Be gentle and avoid forcing the tool under healthy skin. Step 7. Trim loose cuticle skin. Now, use a cuticle nipper to carefully trim only the loose or dead cuticle skin. Work slowly and gently and avoid cutting healthy skin. When the cuticle's trimmed, let's move on to the next step. 8. Gently buff your nails. Gently buff the surface of your nails using a nail buffer. This removes the natural shine, smooths the nail surface, and helps create a better base for gel polish or nail extensions. Avoid overbuffing, as it can weaken the nails. Step 9. Clean your nails. Use a lint-free wipe with nail cleanser to remove all the dirt. This leaves the nail surface clean and ready for the next step. Apply a small amount of cuticle oil around each nail and gently massage it into the cuticles. This helps moisturize the skin, reduces dryness, and keeps the cuticles looking healthy. Our nail care routine is almost complete. Let's finish with one final step. Apply a thin, even layer of hard coat to each nail. This helps strengthen the nails and creates a smooth base for your gel polish. Make sure to cover the entire nail surface without touching the cuticles. A simple nail care routine like this helps keep your nails looking neat and ready for your next manicure. And here's the final result: clean, healthy, and beautifully shaped nails. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe to Peachora Vibes. See you in the next video.